In this video, we're gonna check what is inside the box of Nothing Phone 4a. So let's get right into it. Alright, so over here we should be able to take out everything that we have here. We have this huge box with the welcome message. So pretty standard for Nothing smartphones to have this kind of box. And then we can open it pretty easily. Here we got our phone. Let's take it out. Of course, we're gonna take a look at the phone just in a second, but first I want to show you what accessories do we get inside the box. So we can open this paper box in here, and there we go. So immediately we can see that we have the protective case. There we go. There is also the USB cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. We have the SIM eject tool in this place, and also a little bit of documentation in here. And that seems to be all that we got in here. So pretty standard list of accessories, although of course the protective case is a really nice addition. Of course it is a pretty simple, transparent protective case that you can use, at least temporarily, of course, until you get a different one if you want to replace it with something better. Although, for example, if you go for this blue color, the same one that I did, you might want to, of course, use a transparent case, because honestly the blue looks really cool. And this is how the phone looks like. On the left side we have our additional button. This is of course the essential key. On the right side we can find our power buttons, our power button in here and volume buttons. This is how the back looks like. So pretty standard so far design of Nothing phone. Really cool. Now at the top we have two holes. I would have to check what they are for. I didn't check the hardware diagram yet. Pretty sure one of them is the microphone, the other one might be just for a speaker or maybe something similar. Although, like I said, I would have to verify that. And then of course at the bottom we have the SIM tray over here. We have the microphone, we have the USB-C port, and of course speaker in there. So pretty standard for Nothing phone design, as I mentioned, but it's still pretty cool. It does feel a little bit heavy, which might be a plus for some people. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.